We are going to see the interesting story, The Boat.
A frog, a chick, a mouse, an ant, and a ladybird all went out for a walk. Soon they came near a river. "Let's go for a swim," the frog said. And he jumped into the river. "But we can't swim," the chick said. The mouse, the ant, and the ladybird also agreed to the chick. All of them were sad. They tried to think of doing something. They thought and they thought. And do you know what they did? Chick went away and soon came with a leaf. The mouse came with a coconut shell. The ant brought a straw. And the ladybird brought a long piece of black thread. Then they all set to work. They put the straw into the bottom of the shell and tied the leaf to it with the thread in a minute. They had the prettiest little sailing boat you ever saw. They pushed it into the water and off they sailed. The frog showed his head out of the water and was going to laugh again, but the boat was far away for the frog to catch up. Moral: never think low of others.